Hello guys, welcome back to another video. I just got a very good Xiaomi 23.8 inch monitor. It's a good budget monitor. Sorry, I just have a cough, I'm a little bit sick. And I would like to review this monitor today to see together with you how good it is. Like, I've tested it for 5 minutes. I'm sorry, but it also depends on your graphics card. Like, mine graphics card is a little bit more powerful than an RTX 3050 mobile laptop chip. The laptop RTX, GTX are not so good as the desktop versions. I can explain you why. Let's see. Which game shall I launch? I say BeamNG Drive. It's a nice game, has very good physics, and it's very hard to drift. And I'm saving up my money to buy the simulator with my own money, even though my parents prefer to buy me stuff. I like to buy things with my own. Like, this was a gift from friends. It wasn't, but you see the computer? I don't know how you see it. I bought it with this bad boy with my own money. And you can play almost any game at 1080p. Like, let's go on the track. Sorry, I think it's okay. I want to change the RGB of the speakers. I don't know if you can notice the speakers. The camera settings is just the W5 glass white box, a ruler, and a Bluetooth speaker. This is how. I don't buy camera stands because if I can do like DIY, why spend money? And it costs so much cheaper to build your own PC. This cost me like. Okay, I wasn't being careful with my money. From 4 digits, I fell down to 3 digits. This cost like. The motherboard was free because they were going to recycle it, but the CPU is very good. It's like a quad core i5. The graphics card was like 70 euros on eBay. I know this car can't drift that much. But as far as I can see, it was a nice one. As far as I can see, no, the monitor is okay. I mean, it's good. It's like budget. And now, look, Xiaomi products are good, but it depends also on your budget. If it's like a €100 or dollar phone, don't expect it to be good for gaming, because €100 phone, it's like budget. Like, phones that are good for gaming are like 700, 800 euros, and not all of them. Which vehicles are we trying? I'm interested in a sold muscle car. Was drag. Let me see the performance. 3.2 seconds. Nice. And 100 miles. I think I will change it. Oh, this blew down fast. I'm using a keyboard, not a wheel. I'm not so good at drifting, but I've learned a couple of things from Gooziest, like his videos. He's a really good drifter. Subscribe to Gooziest and my channel. to always full throttle, he said, and that's really good. And he also said, not only him, many people said this before, he's not like, you know, when you start your drifting career, he said, don't expect to be like Sid or Reto and stuff. He said like a brains the failure because all these guys like they were noobs when they started. Anyways, it's not so easy to drift on BeamNG. Oh, I almost damaged the car. Nice. That could be a nice reverse entry, but... Oh, I forgot. I don't wanna drift right now. This is not what I wanna do. Let's go on the... Save it with a 360 and the small gold car. Oh, wait a minute, just wait a minute. Σε παρακαλώ λίγο να αφήσεις την πόρτα. Με κανένα να πεις κάνω βίντεο. Okay. I'm sorry, I just had to take a break. It's automatic. Serious? Okay, maybe we should take a less powerful car. Wait a minute, just wait. So, I'm back again. Let's see, that car handles well. I want the drift version. Just, you know, okay. My parents just want to tell me something. Don't worry, it's not about being like too much on the computer. It's like maximum 3 hours a day computer. Yeah. Don't worry. Actually, they trust me. Yeah. Because you know it's good. Don't spend too much time with the computer. Because it's good in life. Saves it with a 360. Oh! I did it! Wait, no. There's no way. No way. There's no... There's a small thing. Wait, let me see the other side of the car. There's no way. There's no way I didn't crash the car and beam it. There's no way. Okay, it's a small BeamNG drifting is really hard. Guys, I know it's annoying, but please share my channel if you at least care about my channel. I'm not I'm not trying to make money out of YouTube. I just want to entertain people with my videos. And if you have any suggestion, just comment once to tell me your opinion about my video. If your opinion is your video is shit and you think that my video is shit, explain me why and I will improve my videos. Okay. It's like I've improved my English. Like when I started the channel, my English was like crap. Now they're kind of okay. I've done a lot of English lessons. Oh no. Okay, just the bumper. Okay, let's try to keep this car steady. That could be a cool reverse angle. I'm a beginner in BeamNG driving. You know, I'm not a super gamer, so. So guys, but yesterday I didn't have enough time. But I'm going to Oh no. Okay, I total just have to stop. amazing. It's nice. Okay, 10,000 euros. It's nice. Yeah, I totally. Okay, that was so much better. I want to try cinematic view. Yeah, I'm not so good. I have to first learn. No, I've got more drift points. I would like to try the 350Z. I think. No. Yeah, there is. Parking, okay. Yeah, I will try the truck. That one. Go. 52,000. That game's nice, but I got this background from YouTube. If you want, I can put in the description. Like, there are screenshots like this. Nice. Let's see. What's the error? On library. I'm gonna go in library because I have some games there. No, so let me install that. Hey, my friend installed this game. Anyways. Yeah, I've got BeamNG here, but I don't know. Nah, it's my friend likes that game, really. I will install that game. So, no worry, that's not the game. It's not the game that is installed. It's not the game. So, interesting. Wireless internet 2 megabits. So, I will see you in an hour again. Actually, I don't see you. You don't see me. What? Why the hell is? Why YouTubers say, I will see you in the next video. We'll see you in the next video. We'll talk in the next video. If it's not a live stream and they don't have any interaction at all, I'm not going to see you because I don't know who is my audience, and you're not going to see me because I haven't uploaded a face reveal, so I don't know why people say that. I don't know why I even said that. Anyways, sorry guys that I paused the video. The previous parts of the videos were made in 27th of July, I think, and now it's 29th of August, and I just couldn't continue the video back then, and I didn't have enough time to finish it, and I had to go on holidays for a month in Greece. And so now I'm back in Cyprus. I brought some new parts from Greece and upgraded the computer, and I may make an upcoming video testing the upgraded components with some games, still on Windows 11 Insider Preview. And after installing the new parts, I didn't start up the computer correctly. It's not the part's fault, it's my fault, and Windows had a problem. I had to restore the system from a restore point. Now it's fixing some disk volumes, and I hope it works. Otherwise I will have to install Windows again, and that is not what I want. So please wish me luck, subscribe, like and comment. Bye.